Alarm doesn't ring, your smart home gently wakes you up at the perfect moment in your sleep cycle. You look outside, and there are flying taxis in the sky, robots walking on the streets, and buildings that clean the air themselves. Sounds like a movie, right? But this could be your real life in just a few decades. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey into the future, a future that is closer than we think. By the year 2050, our world will be transformed by technology, innovation, and human creativity in ways we can barely imagine today. So, what will life really look like in 2050? Let's explore. In 2050, artificial intelligence won't just be a tool, it will be part of everyday life. AI will help doctors diagnose diseases instantly. Teachers will use AI to create personalized lessons, and businesses will run faster and smarter. Imagine having your own personal AI assistant that understands you better than anyone else. It will manage your schedule, improve your health, and even help you make life decisions. But with this power comes responsibility. We will need to make sure AI is used ethically and safely. Cities in 2050 will be smarter than ever. Traffic jams almost gone. Self-driving cars and flying taxis will dominate transportation. You won't need to drive anymore. Just enter your destination, sit back, and relax. Buildings will generate their own energy, roads will charge electric vehicles, and pollution will be greatly reduced. Healthcare will experience a massive transformation. Diseases like cancer may become easily treatable or even curable. Doctors will use advanced technology to detect illnesses before symptoms even appear. People might live longer, healthier lives, possibly even reaching 100 years or more with ease. Nanotechnology, tiny machines inside the body, could repair damage at the cellular level. By 2050, humans may not be limited to Earth. There could be colonies on the Moon or even Mars. Space travel might become more common, and some people might even work in space. The question won't be, can we go to space? It will be, where should we go next? The way we learn and work will be completely different. Students may not sit in traditional classrooms. Instead, they could learn through virtual reality, exploring history by living it or studying science inside a virtual lab. Jobs will also change. Many repetitive jobs will be done by robots, but new careers will be created, jobs we can't even imagine today. The key skill in 2050? Adaptability. While the future is exciting, it also comes with challenges. Climate change is one of the biggest issues we will face. But by 2050, we may have powerful solutions: clean energy, carbon capture, and sustainable living. The world will rely more on solar, wind, and other renewable energy sources. The question is not just what technology can do, but what we choose to do with it. The world in 2050 will be faster, smarter, and more connected than ever before. But here's the most important thing to remember. The future is not something that just happens to us. It is something we create. Every invention, every idea, every decision we make today is shaping the world of tomorrow. So ask yourself, what kind of future do you want to live in? And more importantly, what are you doing today to build it? Because the future isn't coming. It's being built by us.